This video tutorial explains how to download and install AnyGantt Extension in Qlik Sense desktop. You can request AnyGantt Extension for Qlik at qlik.anychart.com. Please note that you should fill in all the fields in the request form. The download link to the AnyGantt archive will be sent to your email address. After the download is complete, extract the archive. Then you will need to copy AnyGantt files to the extensions directory of Qlik. To install AnyGantt project, copy its folder to the extensions directory. To install AnyGantt resource, also copy its folder to the extensions directory. When you work with Qlik Sense desktop, AnyGantt Extension with the project and resource charts will be there. Thank you for watching. To learn more about the product, visit qlik.anychart.com.